So here guys, I'm gonna show you pedals guys, how they work, how to use them properly. So yeah, this here guys, this is our pedals. So in order for you to use the pedals properly and know how to use them, you gotta study them first. As much as I'm doing this video, I wanna make sure guys that you know your pedals properly, so that you would not panic and not be overwhelmed by them. Nice. So first things first, what you need to know guys is your left-footed pedal. That's your clutch guys. Your left-footed pedal, we call it the clutch. We make sure that guys we study the clutch properly. We make sure this is our left-footed pedal, our clutch. This pedal only uses this left-footed only. This left foot uses only this pedal only. Make it a point that your left foot doesn't go on other pedals. Use it for this pedal only. Your left side pedal. That's your clutch. We call it the clutch. So make sure guys that you study it, you balance it. Make sure guys, because of now the small car, it's very dangerous guys. You don't want to mess with your clutch, especially when your gears are on. Make sure that you be aware of your clutch in everywhere, in anything you do. Make sure that you remember your clutch, you are aware of your clutch, because of now it might break you or kill you. So make sure guys, might make you or kill you, sorry. So make sure guys you study the clutch properly, balance it, especially the code 8 guys. Code 8 clutch, you make sure that you balance it properly, especially when you're starting to learn it. You what you need to do, you get into an open space where there's nothing. When you start training with the code 8, you don't rush it guys. You start by training like this. You just do like full clutch, put on gear 1, and then you balance your clutch properly. You feel your car vibrating bit by bit. When you release slowly, like you gotta become slowly guys. Make sure that you become slowly, so that you could feel your car and feel the vibrations of the car. That will tell you that the car is ready to move. So make sure guys you do that thoroughly. When you release your clutch, make sure you do that thoroughly, so that your car could tell you that it's ready to move, and then you would feel it bit by bit. You release it, then the car would move. Nice. And then when the car moves, you press it again, the car would stop, and then you release it again, just to get used to it guys. Check if the car, how to balance it, how to like do everything to it. Nice. Make sure you study it guys. It's important in everything. It's important, it's important than these two pedals here. So yeah, study our clutch guys. Nice. So our second one in the middle guys, this, it's in the middle pedal. This here guys, this here guys, this here guys is, sorry about that, this here guys is our brake. So our brake guys, it's important. We use it to brake. We make sure that we brake, especially when we, let's say we in motion, we're going at the road. So when we had to stop, make sure guys when you have to stop, you start with the full clutch and then you brake. Every time when you start learning guys, make sure that when you have to stop, start by hitting the full clutch and then slow down with your brake and then stop. In every situation, in every case guys, in order for you to know that your car shouldn't switch off or maybe break down on you, make sure guys when you stop, hit the full clutch and then you brake. Nice. You don't hit the brakes first, because of now the car will switch off whilst it's on the gear. So make sure guys that when you stop guys, you hit the full clutch first and then you brake. Nice. Now this is our brake guys. That's how it works guys. Don't contradict the brake with the clutch, hey. Make sure that your brake, you use it wisely. Make sure you study it too. As much as I'm explaining it like this, if you don't understand, hit the comment below and then I'll make sure that I show you how to do it again. Nice. This is our brake in the middle pedal. Nice. We use it with our right leg. Our right leg uses this pedal. Nice. Make sure, guys, your right leg uses the pedal. Nice. And then this is our accelerator. Nice. This is our accelerator, guys. This one, it's not really important, guys. It's not really important, but it is important because of now. We need it for us to change the gears. So in order for us to change the gears, we need to pick up the speed. We need this the speed of us to pick up. So we use this for the speed only, guys. So make sure, guys, we know our pedals, we know everything. This is our accelerator. We use it for our right foot. Nice. So relax, keep calm, stay patient, and I'll be with you guys. This is Telo Matondo with nice Matondo, with a demonstration video. I hope you learn and know how to drive, because everyone knows how to drive. So stay tuned.